Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be revealing another of my interests, which is rock painting. And I have been practicing this for quite a while now, and I thought why not share some of the things that I've learned so far. And today I'll be teaching you how to make a base and gradients for different times like sunset and nighttime. So without further ado, let's get started. So first what you need to do is add white to your brush, which I am doing right now. And adding the white base makes the colors really pop out. Because when you're using paint on a dark rock, it might use a lot of color, which lacks the contrast of the colors, which makes it look messy. So that's why you add a white base, so you don't need to have lack of contrast and better colors. So you might need a little bit of water to spread everything evenly. And don't worry, this takes a lot of patience and a lot of work. And the best type of paint to use for rock painting is acrylics, which I use. I think it's better for this use because it stays on other than the watercolors, because they just slip off of the rock. So I would suggest using acrylics. And use one type stroke. Don't do random strokes like you usually do. Take one stroke like this. This really gives a neat and even coating to each side. And try to cover up as much of the rock as possible. You can use any size that you're comfortable with. I'm just using a medium. And I also like to keep paper under my rock so that my work surface doesn't get messy. And yeah, take as much time as you need to really cover up those areas. And when you're done, you want to let it dry, air dry under the sun or just for a little while, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so now that my rocks are dry, I already did this one just a few minutes ago, and now that they're dry, let's get into the gradient. So first we're gonna do the sunset. And what you need to know is where the sun is. So if the sun were here setting, then the yellow would start from here to orange to crimson red or either scarlet. So yeah, you might want to go to yellow to orange to red, dark to light. So to start that, you might want to take a little bit of yellow on your brush. It's okay, it doesn't need to be perfect. Just add a little bit of water if needed. Don't need to worry. your way up till the color fades away. That is where the gradient goes. Okay, you just need to take your time, keep building up the color. Okay, so now that I'm done with some of the yellow, I'm gonna mix up some of the magenta with the yellow to make the nice orange. Or either just mix it up. Okay, now let's just some of it dabbing a bit there. And then we're gonna mix it up. I'm trying to keep a dry brush, mix it in, blend it in, and try to make it smooth till it fades away, like I said. I like each layer to dry out so that you blend with the other colors. Yeah. We're just gonna use a little bit more. This is my experience. You can totally use another way if you like. No problem with that. the next video, you can go on ahead and see how I've done my other rock paintings and give me your feedback on how you like them. And I'll try to make some on my channel. Now let's make it a bit darker. Add remember, dark from above, lighter from down. Here I like to keep a dry brush for the blending. And keep the tissue near you in case. Keep blending, keep mixing so you get the right consistency you want. Totally fine. Just keep experimenting with the colors until you get the right mix. And the same goes for the nighttime. And there you have it. This is how you would make a sunset, a little bit more yellow down there, and we're done. I'm just gonna refine this a little bit, and I'll see you in a sec for a little bit more information in my next video. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And I made this rock using the same technique as this one, and just cover up the extra areas. And I would just like to say thank you for all of your support, and keep subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.